Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So let's get started. So we can track these steps in few ways. The first way is to do it by opening the cards menu and checking the activity card. So if you swipe up on the home screen, it will open the card menu, and here we have the activity card, and we can check the steps right here. You can also tap on this card to open the activity app. We can go through the setup. Let's select the steps as the main indicator, and we can set up the goal for our steps, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now once you open the activity app, you should see the steps right here at the top, and you can check the graph and progression towards the goal. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And another way to check the steps is to use the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch, and basically you can open the app there and check the stats in the app. So we can zoom out the camera, open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. And on the home page, you will see stats right here. And we have steps. We can tap on them. And we have the daily progression, weekly, monthly, and yearly. So you can track the whole year if you want to. And you have how many times you reached the goal and stuff like this. So there's quite a lot of information in the app if your watch is paired with the phone. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.